In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a custom ID to form submissions in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to update and click Edit Form to open it in the Form Builder. In the left panel, click Add Element, then open the Widgets tab. Use the search bar to search for Unique ID and click the widget to add it to your form. Once the widget has been added, click it to open its settings. In the widget settings, enter a prefix if you want every ID to begin with specific text, such as INV, ORD, or TKT. Next, choose the number of digits to control how the ID is formatted. For example, setting it to 5 digits will generate IDs like 00001, 00002, and 00003. If you want numbering to begin from a specific value, update the current index field. Confirm the change if Jotform asks for confirmation. After configuring the widget, click Preview to make sure everything looks correct, then click Publish to save your changes. From now on, every new form submission will automatically receive a unique custom ID based on the settings you configured. That's how to add a custom ID to form submissions in Jotform. Thanks for watching.